Hi guys, this is Sam with the Pink Elephant Parlor. I am here today. We're going to do a different little preview of the sale coming up this Sunday, the 25th of April at 3 p.m. Central Time. Mom's not here to help me, so the preview is going to look a little different than usual. All right, now I'm showing you some scarves that are going to be in the preview. There's 3 of them there. The biggest one is, I believe, from Turkey, and then the polka dot is an Echo scarf, and the other one there, it is not marked, but it is a beautiful black with cream colored roses in each corner. As I think most of you that were, the ones of you that were here last sale, I told you Mom would be out for a while. She is having back surgery, so she is preparing for that right now, and so I'm doing the preview by myself. So I'm just going to show you some of the things that we will have this Sunday. Mom will be here this Sunday, but it will be her last Sunday for a while until she gets to feeling better. Got a little cat with the rhinestone eyes laying there, and there's a couple of hankies, and that is a really pretty plaid vintage scarf from Japan. And I absolutely love this little cup and saucer right here. It has the lily of the valley and roses on it. Really cute planter. It is pink and gold. It's got the little bird and the berries on it. And then next we have a couple of Tanala owls. Now they are the sort of I call them the flat-backed owls, but they are really pretty in colors on the back of them. They are marked with the Mexico on them. And then we also have, Mom has put in a fairy lamp, an amber colored fairy lamp this week. And we have another Fitton bell. It is signed. And up in the back there's a piece of art glass. I love the colors of that blue. Looks like a big open flower that goes down into the white and the orange there. We have a Tanala vase with a bluebird on it. And that beautiful fan back there, all hand painted. And the 3 little birds there are sitting on the fan. It's the fan's box. That is the original box that the fan came in, and it has the original tag still on it. I have the bluebird of happiness there. And also that is a pink Fenton bird. It still has its sticker on the bottom. And the blue bird of happiness here, it is marked on the bottom. It's a 1995 Ron Ray. And then the yellow bird back here is the Sunny Days Canary, and it is a Ron Ray 1998. Now if you notice there, you read, it says baked on enamel, do not wash. Clean with a dry cloth. So you do not want to put it in water. I don't know if they consider that flashed. They're calling it enamel. I don't, they just say don't clean it with water, so I wouldn't. Then right here is a clear glass deer head. He is really, really pretty. Then I have a chocolate pot. I believe that's a chocolate pot. That's what I would call it. It's rather tall. It's about 12.5 inches tall. Beautiful flowers on it. And then there is a Westmoreland fairy lamp, and it has owls on it. I have never seen one with the owls on it. And it's different owls all the way around it. And it does have its sticker right down there at the bottom. In this little piece, I put myself a note in there so I would not forget what it was. It is also Westmoreland. It's 1970s. It is a blue satin glass-footed ruffled bowl, is what they called it when I looked it up. We'll have some poodles. And the little girl there with the hearts on, she is Little Belle. She's rather cute. We got another little girl over here. She's also a Little Belle. She's missing her little umbrella, but she's still cute even without it. Got a little collie dog there. Got those long cats. Look at those. And they are salt and pepper shakers. Got a wall pocket with a bird on it. Little donkey cart. It is a toothpick holder. And then this little ram or sheep. It's just a cute little animal just to set around. Really neat little ambered glass vase there with the applied handle. Sort of splattered white, I guess, in it or on it, or however they do all that glass. I don't really understand all that, but it's really awesome looking. Come on back down this way, and Mom has put in this little precious little lamb laying there. He's in really good condition. He's got that sugared look to him. And then right here are some buttons. They are the Shanked back buttons. They are, I believe, the Girl Scouts. There's a set of them there. They are metal back with the shank on the back of them. I'm not really sure of the age. I want to say probably 40s or 50s on those. And then I got a few brooches in this week. All different kind. Really, really pretty strand of your glass necklace with the Aurora Borealis. It has the blue stones and everything there in it. It is really pretty. Some more brooches. Little bitty tiny cup. Just to give you an example, let me put my hand up here. It is so cute. It has the little flowers on the other side, the yellow rose. Really small little, I like the little cutout shaped like hearts. Very cute. Then we have our little owl police officer there. He's got his little, I think it's he's got like his little baton or something. Or I'm not sure what he's got in his hand, but he's got his little police officer hat on there, little sheriff hat. He's really cute. We got one of those old metal lipstick holders. And there's some cute little animals there. A little dog on a shoe, a little duck, and a little cat. The blue piece back here, the little planter, it is Hager. It's that blue satin. It's really pretty. The little cup, let me move this out of the way. This little cup back here, it is Spode, England. It's called Wickerdale. And the little platter, it matches it. Spode is a really nice china that is made in England. It is some of the best they make over there, I think. And that is my opinion. And then I love this here, the black and the orange on this cup and saucer. It is, what does that say there? I'm not really sure. Let's see if I can get it closer to me, guys. I don't know what that says. I think it's Bursley, where, England. But look at the pattern on it. It is so pretty. Really nice. Just like a little cappuccino cup. And then I found this here, little squeaker alert for you. He does squeak. It is really good. Look how they spelled elephant. Elephant. It's really cute. And it still squeaks. And then right, I believe here on the side, if we can get that to focus. Whoops, of course I'd have it upside down. Right there. I'm not sure what all it says, but I know it says 1964 on it. But it's really cute. Like I said, it still squeaks. And then I've got a bunch of older little golden books. There's Heidi and Mother Goose. And what is that? Rudy Kazooie Baseball Star. These are all in really pretty good condition. I think a couple of the bindings, like on this one here, maybe, you know, a little like this. But overall, the pages are good. I think a little kid may have wrote his name in one or two of them. Like right there, or somebody wrote it in there for him. This is the Mother Goose book, and it is dating 1942, and the graphics are just absolutely wonderful in these books. I didn't see any like ripped pages or coloring in them, nothing like that. Mainly just, you know, the child's name wrote in the front, but they are all in really good condition. We have Danny Beaver's Secret, The Train to Timbuktu, and The Party Pig. There's really, really cute ones. And then these books here is a older number coloring and cutting and pasting for beginners. It's got a lot of really cool graphics in it as well. Oh, look, there's my little dog sitting right there. See? But yeah, there's a lot of really cute, and I don't really see that anybody really wrote in it or anything, you know? I mean, it's in really good condition. And then there is a Whitman's coloring book. Now, it does have some coloring in it, but it's still got a lot of good pages. And these are great for just copying the pages and letting your kids color, or even if you do applique and quilting. These old Whitman's book did the larger pictures, so you could paper piece, or not a paper piece, but applique, make wonderful appliques with them for a quilt or wall hanging. Then this one here is Why Peter Rabbit's Ears Are Long, and it's a cute little story in it as well, and you know, it's fairly good condition. And I'm trying to think, the date on this one is right down here, 1944. And then this one here is a Good Housekeeping. Now, I don't know, I mean, I know most of y'all probably know who Sugar Britches is, but look at that little girl. She just reminds me of her so much. It's in really good condition. I was looking for the year on it here. It says, let me turn it around. I believe it's 1941. But again, it's got some really neat things in it. It's in really good shape. Look at the old Cody powder boxes. Just, you know, just a lot of different things. I love the fashion back then. It was wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, well, these will all be in the sale Sunday. I hope everyone can make it. And you know, I always throw some surprise pieces in, so you never know what may end up in the end, all in here. But it will be this Sunday, April the 25th at 3 p.m. and that is Central Time. I hope to see everyone there. And we will see you then, guys.